Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can add a Pancake music bot to your Discord server. So guys, all you have to do is go your Discord and top left and click on the server name and drop down here going to do and select server setting. When you select setting server, scroll down slowly and click find the app directory and going to select this option here, search bar by search Pancake, and click here first result and come up with Pancake bot, and just going to select this and make sure guys you have correct server Discord and click continue. After that guys, authorize and confirm that you are human, and if you go back or your server, you can see Pancake bot has added successfully, and join voice channel if you want to play song or something like this. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget like, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more content.